Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make Google Docs read text aloud to you. Want Google Docs read your text out loud? Here's a simple way to do it. Open a new tab and search for Chrome extensions. Then open a Chrome Web Store and search for text-to-speech extensions like Speechify. Install the extension to your browser and sign in if prompted. Most browsers, including Chrome, Brave, and Edge, support similar extensions. Once it's set up, choose a voice you like and pin the extension to your toolbar for easy access. Then go back to Google Docs, highlight the text you want to hear, and click the play button in the extension. The selected text will immediately be read aloud. You can usually adjust the voice, speed, and other settings to make it sound more natural. This is a great option for proofreading documents, studying, or listening to articles hands-free without having to leave Google Docs. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.